Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Facial hair, we all get it, and I think when I was younger I didn't really realize that like most women, if not all, get facial hair, and I was like very embarrassed of it. Basically, this video, I'm speaking to a younger generation who maybe would have felt the same way I did about facial hair, upper lip hair, that type of thing. It's fine. It happens. It's there. You can get rid of it. You don't have to get rid of it. Up to you. But I'm going to show you guys how I get rid of it super easily. This stuff lasts forever. It's something that I've been using for years that 100% works. As you will see, you'll literally like watch it work in this video. So it's something I highly recommend to you guys. And it's very easily, readily available at the drugstore. I just thought it was important to make this video, put it on my channel if any of you guys are dealing with that sort of thing. Or if you're, honestly, if you're just like my age and you haven't found something that works, this is it. Okay, so I'm blabbing. Let's get into the video. So here it is. This is the star of the show. This is the Olay Smooth Finish Facial Hair Remover Duo. Now it's key to note that there are two kinds. This is the medium to coarse hair. There's also a light hair one, and I've used that one before and it doesn't work on me at all. So it just comes in this box. Make sure you get the medium to coarse hair, or, you know, if you have light hair, you can use the lighter one. But I am suggesting this. It is a two-step process. So you have this little balm and you also have this little hair remover. So here is my before. I don't have excessive hair, but it is, you know, it is really noticeable, and it's especially more noticeable in real life. I feel like it's a little toned down here. But obviously I still just want to get rid of it. So this is my before. You can see all the hair there. You might have to like zoom in to see it a little bit better. I tried to get as close as I could for you guys, but you're gonna start off with the balm, and I kind of apply this way further out than just where the hair is, because if you get any of the other stuff on your skin, it's not nice. I think it kind of like has that burning sensation, so I kind of go overboard, so to speak. Then I'm just massaging it into my skin, making sure that it's all worked in there. It says to do this on the box, and so I've always done it. So you should have something that looks like this before you get started. Then we go into step 2, and I start off by just applying, you know, a generous amount onto my upper lip. So I'm actually squeezing it out of the tube as you guys are watching this. And then I will stop squeezing it, and then I'm just gonna go back in and kind of blend it in. Make sure that it's all saturated, all of the hair. Yeah, just make it look a little bit nicer, and again, make sure everything gets saturated. I do believe the box says to leave it on for like 5 to 10 minutes. I leave it on for 10 minutes. I find that leaving it on for that 10 minutes actually is what I need for it to work. I used to try doing 7 and it didn't work as well, so 10 is what worked for me. After that 10 minutes is up, I just grab a damp face cloth and I just start rubbing it off. And I am pretty, you know, I'm putting some pressure in. I'm really trying to make sure that those hairs lift as I go. But yeah, other than the time, it's all kind of up to you, whatever works for you. Like I said, 10 minutes works for me because I have pretty coarse hair. And then just rubbing it off. It is literally as easy as that. Putting it on, waiting 10 minutes, and rubbing it off. This stuff also doesn't smell gross like Nair. Let me just throw that out there. So yeah, I really, really like this stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this was informative. It was super, super easy. Like I showed you, I will put this stuff on and then I will run and do something else, whatever else I have to do, my hair. Yeah. Easy peasy. Hope it helped. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!